Hi students, welcome to my class. In the last video we learned about octet electron configuration and chemical bonding. Let's recall what we learned in that day. Octet electron configuration means it is the arrangement of 8 electrons in the outermost shell of an atom. Why do atoms need this configuration? As you know, in order to attain stability, and atoms are said to be stable if they have octet electron configuration. And what do you mean by chemical bond? It is the force of attraction which hold the atoms together in a molecule. So today we are going to learn about one of the chemical bond in this chapter. Let's begin the class. Let's learn the formation of ionic bond in sodium chloride. You know that sodium and chlorine combine together to form sodium chloride. Sodium, its atomic number is 11. Electronic configuration is 281. How does sodium attain stability? How the sodium can attain octet configuration? Sodium attains stability by losing one electron from the valence shell, so that the configuration becomes 2,8. In chlorine, the atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its configuration is written as 2,8,7. Chlorine contains 7 electrons in the valence shell, so it requires one more electron to attain its stability. Hence, chlorine atom receives one electron from sodium atom and attain octet configuration. Hence, the configuration is written as 288. During the formation of sodium chloride, sodium loses one electron and becomes sodium ion. Equation can be written as Na gives Na plus 1 electron. Chlorine receives 1 electron from sodium atom and becomes chloride ion. Hence the equation is represented as Cl plus 1 electron gives Cl minus. Let's see the formation of sodium chloride. Observe the diagram closely. Sodium changes to sodium ion by losing one electron, and chlorine accepts one electron from sodium and becomes chloride ion. Hence, the opposite charges attract each other through electrostatic force of attraction and hold the atom together. This kind of bonding is called ionic bonding. Now let's learn how the electron dot diagram of sodium chloride is written. First you have to write the symbol of sodium. Then write the configuration 281. Represent the one electron as dot. Now the next atom chlorine, write its electronic configuration 287. Represent the 7 electron using the dot. Here the dot represents the number of electrons present in the valence shell. Now, what happened to sodium atom? Sodium changes to sodium ion by losing one electron, so that its configuration is 2,8. Hence it acquires a positive charge. Whereas chlorine receives one electron from sodium atom and becomes 288. Hence, it gets one negative charge. This diagram can be represented in the form of an equation. Na gives Na plus 1 electron. Sodium changes to sodium ion by losing one electron. So, when atom loses one electron, it is known as cation. The positive charged ion is called a cation. Chlorine receives one electron from sodium atom and becomes chloride ion. Cl plus one electron give Cl -1. The negatively charged ion is called anion. So chloride ion is an anion. So once again, sodium loses 1 electron and chlorine receives 1 electron from sodium atom and becomes positively and negatively charged ions respectively. These opposite charges attract each other and they are held together by the electrostatic force of attraction. This type of chemical bond is known as ionic bond. Remember, in ionic bond, the electron transfer takes place. During the electron transfer, if an atom donates 1 electron and it becomes a positively charged ion, these positive ions are called cations. An atom accepts electron and becomes negatively charged ions. These are called anions. Now see this table. You have to write the electronic configuration, number of electrons, protons and charge of sodium and chlorine before and after the chemical reaction. The table showing the answer is given here. The configuration of sodium is 281 before the reaction and after the reaction it becomes 28. In the case of chlorine, the configuration is 287 and after the reaction it becomes 288. The number of electrons present in the sodium is 11 and after the reaction it becomes 10 because it loses 1 electron. Chlorine has 17 electrons and it receives 1 electron from sodium and becomes 18. In the case of proton also, the same change takes place. Before the chemical reaction, sodium has no charge and it gets positive charge due to the loss of 1 electron. Similarly, chlorine has no charge before the reaction and it becomes negative when it receives 1 electron from sodium atom.